Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money with Apple Pay. First of all you have to do is open your iPhone settings. From here, you have to swipe down and find the option called Wallet and Apple Pay. Click on it. From here, you have to tap on Apple Pay Cash. Click on it. On the next page, it will show you more options. From here, you have to tap on Add Money. Click on it. Then you have to enter the amount of money that you want to add into your Apple Pay. And then click on Add on the top right corner. And then you have added the money into your Apple Pay. Now, how to send the money? All you have to do is open the Apple Wallet app on your phone. From here, you have to select the option called Send or Request. Click on it. From here, you have to search for the recipient name that you want to send the Apple Wallet money. After you're done, click on Next. And then you have to enter the amount of money that you want to send to your friend. And then click on Send. From here, it will move you towards the iMessage section. From here, you can also give a comment along with your Apple Cash payment. You can type it or you can just click on Send. And then your friend will receive, and either he can accept the money. Once he accepts the money or the amount will be added to your friend's Apple Cash. And that's how you can send money on Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.